This is the assembly video for the American-style BBC42 blind base corner cabinet. The cabinet body, drawer glides, and hardware are in the U-box, and the cabinet frame, door, and drawer face are in the other. So we can start by removing the frame and build off that. The U-box comes with the back panel, front strength panels, the bottom panel, the shelf, the side panels, plywood for our gap, kickboard, door glides, door box, and the box with the hardware in it. So start by screwing the cam lock screws to the cabinet's frame in these pre-drilled holes. Next, place dowels in your front strength panels and place them on the cam lock screws. Place your side panels on the frame as such. Set dowels in the bottom shelf and place it. Grab the back panel. Place dowels in the front strength panels and install the piece. Screw through the pre-drilled holes and then through the back panel and bottom panel, as well as through the back panel to the front strength panels. Place cam locks all the way around and tighten them, securing the cabinet frame to the body, including the strength panels on the other side. Now flip your cabinet right side up and screw the shelf cam screws to the pre-drilled holes at your desired height of your shelves. Grab your drawer glides. We're going to screw them through the third hole in the glide, and notice the pre-drilled holes on the strength panel. Screw the glide to the strength panel now, again third hole from the front, and last hole at the back. Grab your shelf. Place the shelf pin locks onto the bottom of the shelf and open the shelf pin locks by turning the screw 180 degrees as such. Place your shelf onto the pins and lock your shelf via the shelf locks. Now let's build our drawer. Using a mallet, attach the drawer panel together as such. Slide in the bottom drawer panel. Place the back drawer box piece and tap it into place. Now place the drawer box onto the drawer face. Measure and ensure your box is completely centered. Then pre-drill and screw the box to the drawer face. Do not drill through the drawer face. Screw the hinges to your door. Then place the lip of the hinge on the edge of the frame and ensure the cabinet is flush on the bottom of the frame. Install the drawers now. Pull the drawer glides out, place the drawers on the glide, and insert this hook into the back of the drawer. We can now screw the drawer glides to the drawer themselves, underneath. This plywood will cover the opposite side of the door and drawer. It will be placed and installed after the cabinet is. Now secure the kickboard. And we're done. One American-style BBC42 blind base corner cabinet ready for installation.